Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you what enhanced search results are in Copilot Studio and how to enable this feature along with the prerequisites in Copilot Studio. This is the new updated feature from Microsoft, which was launched on January 31st, 2025. First, I will explain what this enhanced search results feature is about, and then I will show you in the demo. So, let's get started. Before we understand this enhanced search results feature, we need to know about semantic search. What is semantic search? Semantic search is an advanced search technique that goes beyond traditional keyword matching. Instead of just looking for exact words, it understands the intent, meaning, and context of a query to deliver more relevant and accurate results. So it is not only focusing on the matching keywords, it is understanding what the intent of that user is. So the algorithm or the logic behind the enhanced search results feature works based on the semantic search algorithm. So for example, you can say if you don't have semantic search or enhanced search results feature enabled in your Copilot, and if a user types project deadline policy. So without semantic search or enhanced search, the system returns only documents that have the exact phrase project deadline policy. Right? So here if you go with the semantic search or enhanced search results enabled in your Copilot, the system understands that project deadline policy is related to project timelines, due date guidelines, and submission rules. It retrieves documents even if they don't contain the exact words, but match the intent. This intent-based search goes beyond your keyword-based search, going deeper into the intent of the user and context. So it really helps the user. With this, the user will get a more relevant and focused detailed answer from various data sources. Let's look at this table where I have compared user queries with enhanced search results, enabled and without enabled, and how Copilot will handle them. Basically, I have made this comparison table with 4 columns. User query, enhanced search disabled, traditional search reads from SharePoint. Enhanced search enabled, no Microsoft 365 Copilot license, AI-generated guess, and enhanced search enabled, with Microsoft 365 Copilot license, semantic search from SharePoint. In my case, I don't have a Microsoft 365 license, so though I have enabled the enhanced search results feature, it does not work with my account in my Copilot. For me, though I pass valid queries, Copilot generates generic AI-based answers. I get the AI-generated answers something like this, though I have enabled enhanced search results in my Copilot, as I don't meet the licensing prerequisites criteria. I'll discuss the prerequisites in the next slide. By the way, you will get semantic-based search results, something like this, if you meet the prerequisite criteria. To explain this in a better way, let's say you don't have a Microsoft 365 license, but you have enabled the enhanced search results in your Copilot. You will get the AI-generated answers, something like this. So this is what I have represented in this table. This column represents Copilot answers from the actual data source without enabling the enhanced search results. This is a traditional search query, how we usually get from Copilot. Right? And this is, you have enabled the enhanced search results feature, but you don't have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. In this case, you will get AI-generated generic answers, not from the actual data source in SharePoint. This column describes that you have enabled the enhanced search results feature in your Copilot, and you have a valid Microsoft 365 Copilot license, and you meet other prerequisite criteria. This gives semantic and intent-based, more contextually relevant answers. Let's now see what the prerequisites are for the enhanced search results. Feature functionality in Copilot. From the licensing point of view, Microsoft 365 Copilot license must be assigned to the user. The agent and user must be in the same Microsoft 365 tenant. From the Copilot authentication configuration of point view, the agent's authentication must be set to authenticate with Microsoft Intra-ID authentication. Users must sign in using their Microsoft 365 credentials. Then, from the Microsoft Graph API permissions point of view, the sites read, all permission must be assigned to the Copilot app registration in Microsoft Intra-ID. An admin consent must be granted for this permission. Then, from the data source availability and search indexing point view, you need to meet these guidelines. This is the SharePoint data source configuration. Files must be stored in SharePoint Online or accessible via Microsoft Graph connectors. The uploaded documents must be search indexed in SharePoint. The supported file size must be less than or equal to 200 megabytes. The SharePoint document library must allow search indexing and not have restricted permissions. Then, finally, you need to enable the Enhanced Search Results feature in Copilot Studio. The Enhanced Search Results option must be enabled in generative AI settings for your agent within Copilot Studio. By the way, as per Microsoft documentation, this is enabled by default, but these are the things we must check before coming to Enhanced Search Results experience testing in Copilot. Now let us see what the benefits of Semantic Search in Copilot Studio are. More accurate answers. It retrieves the most relevant knowledge, reducing manual searches. Handles natural language queries. Users can ask questions in different ways and still get relevant results. Works across multiple data sources. It searches structured and unstructured data across SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Graph. Supports large files. It can extract knowledge from large documents up to 200 megabytes. So, this is all about enhanced search results or semantic search in Copilot. Now I'll go to my Copilot Studio. Now I am in my Copilot Studio agent. I will click on the settings of Copilot. Then I will go to Generative AI section. This is the new premium feature section added to Copilot. You can see here Enhanced Search Results toggle. It can provide improved search performance for Microsoft 365 Copilot tenants. Availability varies by data source. And also, you can click on this Microsoft documentation link to see how this works. This is the Microsoft documentation here I have. Open then. I need to see the authentication configuration here. So I'll go to Authentication section and see it has to be authenticated with Microsoft Intra-ID. This is one of the prerequisite criteria to meet before you see your enhanced search results work. What exactly is this Microsoft authentication? It enables authentication using Microsoft Intra-ID in Microsoft Teams, Power Apps, or Microsoft 365 Copilot. So, this prerequisite is matching here. Now I will go to my Azure portal and I'll show the app registration. I have done for my Copilot. By the way, this app registration was done automatically while I created my agent. I was mentioning these in my prestation. API permissions. I have granted sites, read all, and files, read all permissions. So this criteria is also fine. I have completed this setup. You can find this from the Azure portal app. Registrations. You can see here. Now let's see the licensing details. What I've been assigned with. So for me, these are the licenses I have. Microsoft Copilot Studio Viral Trial. Microsoft 365 E5 Developer without Windows and audio conferencing, and Microsoft Power Automate free. So I see that I don't have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license that is mandatory for this enhanced search results configuration. So that is the reason though I have enabled enhanced search results feature along with the Microsoft Intra-ID authentication, but still my enhanced search results functionality does not work. For example, like I'll show you, I have enabled here enhanced search results and this is my data source. Sample data source stored in my SharePoint site. So if I try to ask something from this document as data source, my Copilot will not answer from this document, though I have configured enhanced search results. Let's ask something to my Copilot referring to this SharePoint sample data source. Like, what is the work from home policy? And how to reset my password? For both the questions, Copilot gives the generic AI-based answers, not from the actual data source. Now again, I will just disable the enhanced search results feature. Then, I will ask those same questions to my Copilot. Like, work from home policy? Then, I get the answer from my actual data source in the SharePoint document library. I can ask one more question. How to reset password? Then again, I get the answer from my actual data source in the SharePoint document library. In this test, what I was trying to show is, if you enable enhanced search results features, but if you don't have Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses, your Copilot will not work or will not answer from the actual data sources configured, but the same query or question will be handled smartly if you disable the enhanced search results feature. So, the final take is, if you don't have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, don't enable this enhanced search results feature. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this demo and found it valuable. If you learned something new, I'd truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'll be bringing you more exciting and trending videos on the latest Microsoft technologies, including Microsoft Copilot, Generative AI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, Artificial Intelligence, and much more. Your support means a lot to me, and I look forward to growing together on this journey. Thank you, and see you in the next video.